Well, today was an interesting day, mostly about scalping, and it started a little bit slow in London. Managed to start London session with a loss as well, again, but after that, I'm not going to cut all the trades together because you're gonna see on the chart that I took quite some trades. I was talking about it in the Discord. By the opening session of New York, I mean, by the opening bell of New York session, I have actually tired out quite a bit, and I broke one rule. I was very confident about a certain level, and I added one more contract for a scalp trade. I was willing to risk overall $500 on the account, and if that would have happened, well, around 500 or 600, and if that would have happened, I would have just stopped for the day. And for a slight second it spiked there, but eventually I ended in the green. But this is a top step account, by the way, and this is a combine account. It's not an express account. I'm going to show you more details about this later on, but ended up in profit. But I think this is it for the day, because as I was watching it later, it's just a chop city. Still managed to end in the green. By the way, I'm going to dedicate a new account for these kind of videos, and maybe I'm gonna do it partially live on YouTube as well, so that's gonna be on next week most likely. Anyway, I'm tired. I'm not gonna trade the New York Silver Bullet session, and it's 9:48 right now, 9:48 New York time, and I'm just tired. I'm drilled, and I need to get some rest. So tomorrow, Friday, hopefully we will do some profits in the London session, and until then, check out our Discord membership at pip.ninja, and see you on the other side. Cheers. Okay, we just got filled in a trade which is based actually on a very simple 5-minute target level here, and this level, the 700 is actually 701 is actually the start of a 1-minute buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. So I expected this is a very good target. Also on the 5-minute, we did take some liquidity from this area, kind of respected it, broke lower, and if we go to the higher time frames, I'm not going to do that now. It pretty much seems like we've done all the damage we can do, so the best target would be down here. So let's go down to the 30-second, because that's where I actually managed to put the trade. There's my target down there. The final target would be down there, and I might just gonna, if it starts to gain momentum to the downside, I might just going to leave it. Well, seems like we are offside here, unfortunately, and I thought that this could be a bearish order block, but yeah, it wants to break higher, so that's not good. Yeah, we're out. That's bad, because I was really hoping for this one. Well, we're starting out with a negative trade again, just as yesterday, so hope for the best. Okay, maybe we can get a second chance here. Same situation. This one kind of broke below here. Not the perfect break of structure, but put a limit order there, and we try to maybe go and break this low here. I think I have to kill this. Yeah, killed it. That's it. That's it. It's I think it's just I'm just very much offside, and we had so much of a fall yesterday and crazy price action. It's just very dangerous to short right now, but it's all right. We'll see if we can recover from this. I'm willing to take one more trade, and if that fails, I think we're gonna have the first real red day since a while, but it is what it is. Okay, small little fair value gap here for an entry. It can still spike up, but 80, 48. I'm still looking for these lows to be taken out. I'm still looking for that. Why? Let's check the 5 minute. Actually, that's why. This is the 5 minute chart, and we have significant low down here just at 700, 1 hour imbalance. Up there is not too much. That doesn't mean it cannot spike up, but oh, let me put a stop somewhere. But yeah, you know what? I took what I can, and the reason is if let me show you on the 5 minute. Like, do this, then we're gonna have a hard time. So if we start to congest lower, like in this area inside here, then who knows where it wants to break out, to the downside or to the upside. So I felt safer to take what I can. I lowered a little bit my losses. Still in the red, but it is what it is. So on to the next one, I think. Okay, we might get an entry by the end of the London kill zone. So I'm gonna put a limit order right there. The target is right here, 1 hour BC down there. I'm gonna put a buy stop here. We could go up more here. I just didn't want it to miss the move. 23 level. I'm gonna target the I'm gonna target the lows here. I don't know what to do here. Okay, I closed it because I'm stupid. I just had to. I got scared because it might be some profit taking here, and because I was down, I wanted to make sure to recover some of the losses. So actually now we're back in the green. That's it. Alright, so I'm gonna do a brief summary, because if I would want to cut all this to a short video, it would be just almost impossible. There was a level here on the 5 minute, actually. I'm gonna show you right here. That was very close to a significant low. This is the 5 minute, so I wanted to break this level, of course, and I started to take like crazy trades. Let me go to the 30-minute second chart. Let's go to the 30-second chart again, and I will show you. So I started to short here, and then it went exactly 10 handles, which was great, but then it turned, so I exited around break even. Then I re-entered again because the feel of the FOMO. Then I exited with a loss. Then I entered again with a short. Then I exited with a bigger loss. So it was all crazy. And then scalped here a little bit, and news came out, stuff like that. And as you can see, I have put myself in a slight minus. So that was more of a scalping session, but absolutely an over trading issue which happened. I was using one contract, of course. It shows 172 in the negative, but because of commissions I'm more likely about 200 down. But anyway, it is what it is. I just wanted to cut this short. We still have the New York Open ahead of us, so let's see if I can bring some of the losses back. Let's hope. Well, as I said, I'm married to the idea, and I do want this level to be taken out, and I'm trying to keep it tight, watch it closely, and yeah, what can I say? I'd like this level to be broken. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on. Yeah. Damn. I shouldn't be happy about that. But I'm gonna be talking about this later. Anyway, we're back on track.